what kind of look I'm going for today, but I do have a couple of products that I haven't tried before and I do want to try in this video. So I'm gonna start by just spraying some rose water on my face because I feel like I need that hydration. I think I'm going to be starting with this Lancome Monsieur Big brow stuff. It's in the number 4 Ebony. And I've had this product for quite a while now, but I haven't used it yet, so I'm excited to be using it in this video. It has the product on one end and a brush on the other end, and you're supposed to apply the product directly on your brows and then blur it out or brush it out with the brush. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I don't see why I should put the product on and then brush it out. No, I don't like this. I'm gonna take that off. Brows are like a deal breaker, so if you don't have that right, then the rest of your face doesn't look balanced. That's literally black. No, that's not a good match for me. Maybe the product is good, but the shade isn't for me. So I'll just go in with my regular Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and this is the shade Chocolate. And I won't do much, I'll just be lining out and filling in the sparse areas. I'm going in with my favorite L'Oreal Genius Kit palette because I feel like my brows aren't cooperating with me today, so I just use what I know best. I'll take a little bit of the Wet n Wild concealer with a concealer brush and I'll just clean around my brows. I used to do that all the time, but then I liked the messy brow look. But now I feel like I really need to do it because my brows look really messy. And I'll take a little bit of that on my eyes as well, because I'm gonna prime my eyes either way. Another product I have, it's also from Lancome. It's their 24-hour eyeliner, and it looks like this. Oh, okay. This is how the applicator looks. I'll try to do a very thin line across my eyelid first before winging it, because I'm not sure how I'll do that. I'm not getting a straight line with this. It's very streaky. It's very hard to use. You have to be like a pro to be able to use this. I won't even think of attempting to do a winged liner with this one. Whew. Curl my lashes. Add some Big Shot mascara. It makes your eyelashes like 100,000 times better. Thicker and longer. And that's all I'm looking for in a mascara. So I'll be using my Dior Forever foundation. And I'll be taking a couple of, just 2 pumps on the back of my hand. And my damp, and with my damp beauty blender, I'll work that into my skin. This is definitely one of my favorite foundations of all time. It feels like your skin, but just a little better. I had this e.l.f. palette for quite a while now. It's their contour and highlight palette, and I haven't used it at all. Like, I don't think I've ever used it, and I'm really excited to. I wanted to use it in a whole separate video where I highlight and contour. So I'm really excited to be trying it out. I'm gonna take this highlight shade and use it for my under eye concealer and highlighting. Ooh, that's really light. That's almost white. It looks really yellow in the pan. Yeah, that won't look nice on me. Wait a second. That won't work for me. That crushed my heart. I know that's like crazy, but I'm really into like a really good highlighted and contour look today. I'm not going anywhere, I'm just playing around with makeup. But I feel like I want to do something that is really bold. I'm really sad though that the e.l.f. highlighter didn't work out. That's the darkest palette they have. I think so. Yeah, that's the dark one. That was really too light for me. See, it doesn't look that crazy blended out. I'll be using my Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. There's already some powder on top here, so I'm gonna very lightly take that and set my under eye concealer. And I'm gonna set everywhere I put that concealer. And then I want to contour. I'll go back to the e.l.f. palette and I'll try to use, I think I'll try to use this shade right here. I'll use this contour brush. I hope it works though. It looks a bit muddy right here. It looks nice on camera, but it looks muddy in real life. Yeah, I prefer a little more bronzed. Maybe we could take this one right here. Oh yes, yes, this is the right shade for me. But then again, I don't have time for this every day, or even when I'm glamming up for an event or something. I don't have time for cream contour. I'll just add some on the other cheek to be balanced out, but I don't think this is something I'll be doing ever again. I think I'll just contour my nose a little bit. Well, not a little bit, that's a whole lot of it. Maybe add a little bit on my temples. I mean, as long as we're at it, we might as well just do the whole thing. And I wanted to try the mouth contouring thing, so I'll take some of the same color we used on like I'm not sure if I'm doing it right or not, but I've seen a lot of makeup artists outline their lips with contour. I think I did something there, but I think it will really show when I kind of apply lipstick. I don't know what I'm doing today, so don't judge me. Alright, so I'll bronze my face, and I'll be using the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. I didn't blend that out. And then I'll put on some blush, and I'm using the Wet n Wild blush in the color Mellow Wine. And then now it's time for highlight. Alright, now I'll go back to my eyes. Lately I've been really into the lower lash line smoked out kind of look. And I'll be taking a really dark brown color and placing that right close to my lash line. And then I'll take my crease brush and the first color I used, which is this one called Red Ochre. And I'll smoke out that brown and I'll bring it all the way down. Now it's time for a lipstick. I've wanted to use this lipstick for a while. I've had it for like 6 months now and I've never used it. It's a liquid lipstick from Stila and it's called Splendor Shimmer. It has a little shimmer in it, but it looks very rosy. So I feel like this is what I want to go for today. Oh, it smells nice. Ooh, love it. Oh my god, I love this so much. I kind of regret not trying out this lipstick sooner. Yeah, so this is the look I came up with. I really like it. It's different. It's not like anything I ever do. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell to know when I upload. And yeah, thank you for watching as always. I'll see you on the next one. Mwah.